This video demonstrates how to use Assignments and Grade Passback on the Activate Learning digital platform when your district is integrated with Schoology. Assignments ensure that students know exactly what activities to work on. Students can easily find and launch assignments from Schoology. Let's see how it works. To create an assignment, teachers should first choose the lesson they'd like to work with, then click the Assign button. In the resulting window, select the section or sections you'd like to receive the assignment. Teachers can assign to multiple sections at the same time, as well as to a group of linked sections. Next, choose an activity. Again, you can choose one or more options. You also have the option to choose a grading category. You can choose any category set up for the selected section in Schoology. Finally, select a due date and click Assign. When the window closes, your assignment has been submitted to Schoology. Now, let's look at the student side. Students will see the new assignment and the list of materials for their course in Schoology. When they open the assignment, they'll be able to click an assignment link to launch the assignment in Activate Learning. Students will be signed in automatically using their Schoology credentials. When the assignment launches, students will see the current activity and will also be able to refer back to any previous lessons. Students can enter responses which will be automatically saved with a timestamp. Saved responses are automatically submitted to the teacher. Finally, let's take a look at grading and grade passback. To grade an assignment, teachers should go to the Assign menu and choose one of the grading options. Next, they'll choose a lesson to grade, the assignment, and the class. Teachers will see a notification if work has been completed. Teachers will enter the scoring and can add comments for students, including custom or pre-made comments. The overall score is automatically tallied. This tallied score is automatically passed back to the entry for the assignment in the Schoology gradebook. To learn more, go to activatelearning.com.